Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the status bar on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then tap on notifications and quick settings, then tap on status bar, and from here you can customize the status bar on your Oppo phone. First of all, you have the option of notification icons, and from here you can select how you want your notifications to be shown in your status bar. You can select show in icons and it will show the icons of the apps from which you have received a notification. After that, you have the option of show number and it will only show the number of notifications which you have received. And also you have the option of don't show. And if you select don't show, it will not show any icons when you receive a notification. After that, you have the option of battery styles. And from here, you can select the battery style which you like. You have the option of horizontal, a vertical, and you also have the option of loop. And if you select loop, it will show the remaining battery in a loop. After that, you can enable or disable show battery percentage. And if you disable this toggle, it will not show the battery percentage in the status bar. And if you enable it back on, it will show the percentage of the battery in the status bar. Now, after that, you have the option of real-time network speed. And by enabling this option, it will show the real-time network speed in your status bar. And from here, you can enable or disable the icons which you want to show in the notifications. For example, you can enable or disable to show the icon of the Bluetooth if you are using Bluetooth. And also you can enable or disable to show the icon of HD voice or Wi-Fi. You can show the icon of silent mode if it is enabled on your smartphone. Just like that. And also you can enable or disable to show the icon of the alarm when you set one. You have the option of data saving, and if you enable this option, it will show the icon of the data saver when you enable data saving. And also you have the option of high performance mode, and it will show the icon of high performance mode when you enable it on your smartphone. You have the icon of do not disturb mode, and also you have the icon of VPN when you connect to a VPN. Now you can enable or disable the icons from here, just like that. And this is how you can change the status bar on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.